Hi, I'm Shannon Miller with the Miller Elder Law Firm, and I want to talk about estate tax avoidance, simple ways to avoid estate taxes. Right now, we know that estate taxes are really high. They're at like $13 million. It's actually 12.9. In January of 2026, that number is going to be cut in half. So then we're talking really like 7 to 7.5 million in the estate tax threshold. People are like, oh, I don't have that amount of money. Well, first of all, combine your stuff with your spouse, okay? So what does your spouse have and what do you have? Because typically, if you don't have a good, solid trust-based plan, what happens is when spouse A dies, spouse B gets all the assets, right? So they're gonna get retirement assets, life insurance, the value of the homestead, any other investments that you might have, checking accounts, bank accounts, all that's gonna go to spouse B, so surviving spouse. When spouse B dies, that may exceed that $7 million, right? Because what we know is that assets grow over time. The value of property grows. That second spouse may live another 20 years. They may do gift planning, but there's certain caps. It's pretty low as far as how much you can give away. So, we're really concerned about estate taxes at times that otherwise we really wouldn't think that would be something to be concerned about. But make sure you're calculating it based on both family members. What are some simple ways to address it? Yes, gift annual amounts. Each spouse can gift the annual exclusion amount. It goes up every year, well, almost every year. And, you can give it to kids, you can give it to grandkids. There's lots of strategies to use to take advantage of the gifts. And then, the other option is to do trust-based planning and not joint trusts. They get messed up, it doesn't work. Separate trusts for each spouse. Spouse A is gonna fund their trust with assets affiliated with their social security number. Spouse B is gonna fund with theirs. Separate trusts. When spouse A dies, that asset goes out to the family trust. You use your coupon from the IRS. Let's say you use $5 million. You've got $2 million left to leave to your spouse, okay? It's called your disuya. You can leave that to spouse B. Spouse B lives. These assets are creditor protected. They also are not subject to estate taxes. So the family trust money can grow and grow and grow estate tax free. What's left in surviving spouse's trust can also grow. They still get that extra $2 million from you. And then when they die, all the money can go out into the family trust. Lots of good creditor protection. If children are in shaky marriages, there's ways to protect them from that. Some other strategies that are included there. Call us if you want information about estate tax planning. We're the Miller Elder Law Firm.